Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today the recipe is the most famous chicken ghee roast. Let's start the recipe. I heat the pan and add in 2 teaspoons of oil and 4 teaspoons of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, star anise, clove, cinnamon and cardamom. Add in chopped onion and requisite salt. Mix them well. Once onion color changes into light brown, add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Stir it well. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it completely. Add chopped tomato and some green chilies. I have added some cashew nut also. Add half kg of washed and chopped chicken. Mix it completely. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Mix it well and keep on stirring. After 5 minutes, you can see chicken got water now automatically. We don't have to add water into chicken. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. add curry leaves. Now the tasty chicken ghee roast is ready. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Thanks for watching.